Welcome to my upgraded Point Score tool review, usage experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Upgraded Points is a platform designed to help individuals optimize their credit score and maximize rewards from travel credit cards. This tool is particularly useful for those looking to improve their credit profile while leveraging points, miles, and other benefits for travel-related expenses. It's tailored for frequent travelers, financial enthusiasts, and anyone interested in extracting the most value from their credit cards. The standout feature of Upgraded Points is its personalized approach. It provides tailored advice on which credit cards best suit your financial situation and travel goals. By analyzing your spending habits, the platform recommends cards that offer the most rewards and benefits, whether that's cashback, airline miles, or hotel points. Additionally, the site offers extensive guides and tools for improving your credit score, which is essential for qualifying for premium travel credit cards with high-value perks. Another significant feature is the credit score education and resources available on the platform. Upgraded Points explains the factors that influence your credit score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age, and offers actionable tips to boost your score over time. Their tools also guide users on how to strategically use credit cards to earn rewards without falling into debt or paying unnecessary fees. For frequent travelers, the platform's focus on travel maximization is invaluable. From advice on transferring points between loyalty programs to recommendations on how to redeem rewards for maximum value, Upgraded Points ensures users can unlock the full potential of their credit card benefits. In summary, Upgraded Points is a fantastic tool for individuals who want to build or maintain a strong credit score while taking full advantage of travel rewards programs. It's user-friendly, comprehensive, and designed to help you make informed financial decisions. If you're ready to elevate your credit score and travel experience, check out the links in the description and start using Upgraded Points today.